Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl J Baby, and today's video is going to be on a jewelry haul. I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a try on for some jewelry. So if you would like to know what I got, just keep on watching. Okay y'all, so today's video is going to be on Italo jewelry, and look how luxe and how rich this box look at the packaging. The packaging is just really beautiful. So I got two pieces from Italo jewelry, and I could not wait to be able to show you guys. And I waited for a while because I wanted it to be around the holidays. That way, if you wanted to get your hands on some of these items for a loved one or even for yourself, sometimes treat yourself, then yeah, that way you will be able to. So this is what the packaging looks like. So luxe and so beautiful. They keep you in mind. Look at the blue ribbon on here. I think this is really beautiful. It's the anesthetics for me. It is the packaging for me. So when you open it, is a magnetic box right here. It opens and it's just like this. Look at this. So luxe, y'all. So beautiful. So classy. This will contain the jewelry right here. But first what I'm going to do is find out what this is right here. Okay, first off, we have, we have a silver polishing cloth. And it comes in the mesh drawstring bag right here. This is so luxe. And it also has Italo on the packaging right here. That is so luxe. So it comes in like a card type envelope. And let's see what it looks like. Okay. This is the polishing cloth right here to clean your jewelry. It comes with, I guess this is like a checklist or something like that of their disinfectant to show that they have disinfected everything properly. Also, we have the sterling silver certificate that they have here. Oh, this is awesome. They give you all the information that you need. Okay, this right here is the jewelry care guide. So it tells you how to care for your jewelry. That's nice. Also, we have, a 1-year warranty. 1-year warranty card. They just give you all the information you need. And, a 60-day return policy. Okay. So they also have it with they have a 100% safe and secure checkout. If you want to check out your items and you wondering if it's going to be secure, it will be secure. They have worldwide free shipping, so you can be able to, honey, be anywhere and just get you some jewelry, okay? So also they have, it's top quality, but it's cheap. It's affordable. Not cheap, but it's affordable. It's affordable enough for what you about to see because this is so luxe and so beautiful. This is the packaging again. So I'm going to go ahead on and I'm going to just open up. Let's see what I want to open up. I don't have on any jewelry today because I wanted to make sure that you be able to get a fair chance to be able to see everything for what it is and not be distracted by my other jewelry. So this is the box here. Let's go ahead on and try on the necklace first. So this is the box. This box is bigger than this one. This is the small one. So I'm going to try this one on later. This is the ring. I'm going to try on this one right here. So I'm going to grab my notes because I want to be able to tell you exactly what this is. This is the necklace right here. It's a cross necklace, but what they did was put some wrapping around it so they can make sure that it doesn't fall out or anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead on and open this and I'll be back. Oh my goodness. Look at this necklace. Oh my goodness. Do you see this? I think I got it in a length 22 inches. Y'all, I'm going to show it to you up close and personal. This is so luxe and so beautiful. And this is the cross design pendant necklace, 1.10 carat. And it sells for $89.20 some cents. This is so luxe, so beautiful. And it comes like this. It's so dainty and so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Do you see this? How gorge? How gorge is this? This is so gorgeous. So I'm gonna try this on, y'all. I could not wait to get this package. I could not wait to get this package. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, I'm about to cry. Oh my goodness, I'm about to cry, guys. Forget my bra strap, y'all. I'm so sorry. I'm about to cry, guys, because, oh my goodness, I always wanted a cross necklace that was beautiful and dainty. Dainty here, and you can see the cross. You know, it is so luxe, so beautiful. Oh my God. I am so happy that I got this. I am so happy that I got this in my collection. Thank you so much, Italo. Okay, so this is one of the gifts that I got to myself. And look at this packaging. Just, it's luxe. Look, listen. It's not that cheap, flimsy stuff, honey. And it closes really good. I love it. I love it. So let's go ahead on and grab the last one that I got. And the last one I got was the Italo ring. Oh, honey. Look at this. I believe I got this in a size 9 right here. And this ring is the Italo Halo Cushion crafted white sapphire wedding band. Huh. Oh my goodness. Look how luxe and so beautiful this is. You see this? Oh my goodness. I hope you can see this very well. Look at this ring. Look at this necklace. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me turn it back. Let me turn it back up, y'all. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead on and get that off of there. And I'm going to go ahead on and put this on. Then I'll be wearing my wedding band. I'm going to go ahead on and put this here. Then again, you know what? It is a wedding band, guys. So you can wear it as a wedding band, or you can wear it as the other hand from your wedding ring, you know. Look at this. Oh my goodness, this is so luxe. But I got it for this hand, y'all, and it's kind of like loose, so it's not loose on this one, if you can see. So, oh my, look how luxe this is, y'all. Look at this. I feel like, oh, I feel so, I don't know what I feel, but I feel like I just got something really nice, y'all. You know, you can tell when you really get something really nice because it make you feel so good inside. And it's not a whole bunch of everything. It's very dainty and it's very nice, very put together. This ring. Let me turn this down some. Y'all, why am I whispering? I'm whispering. Why am I whispering? This is beautiful. This is so beautiful. Now, the ring sells for $81.38. And the necklace sells for $89.27. And this is so beautiful, so luxe. I will show some close-ups that way you be able to see what your girl got on, okay? What she got on. I feel like, you know, I'm special. I feel like it's an engagement right now. I feel like rich. Like I'm rich, y'all, because this is not like some little dainty, little cheap jewelry, you know what I'm saying? I'm not used to this like this, you know what I'm saying, all at one time, you know what I'm saying? It's hard for me to take it in, okay? When you got all of this just blinging out and it's, you know, it looks rich, y'all. Let's be real, for real. It looks really real and really rich on me, okay? And the ring itself is just so beautiful. Now, I've had expensive jewelry before, so I'm not trying to say it like that, but it looks so more than what I'm used to having. Let's be real, you know, more than what I'm used to having. So I really do like it. It's beautiful. And I'm going to wear this actually for Christmas, and I'm going to wear it for New Year. So yeah. So Italo, they have Instagram and other handles, you know, websites and stuff like that I could be able to put down in the description box for you guys. Also, they have coupon codes. You can get a coupon code. I will have it probably up on the screen, or even I'll have it in the description bar for you. If you use my code, you will be able to get some money off. Y'all, look at this. Oh, I feel so good with this. I feel so good with this. And yes, y'all. So I will have everything you need down in the description bar. That way you can be able to get your hands on this right here, y'all. Oh, okay, y'all. Thank you so much, Italo, for sending me this jewelry. I am so happy, so pleased with it. Thank you so much to try it out for my girls and, even my fellas, even if you want to get your wife something for Christmas or just a gift, just a, here you go. This is for you today, baby, type gift. Then this is awesome for it, okay? I would love for my husband to get me something like this. So I think I will let him know about Italo. That way he can be able to add another piece to this, maybe a bracelet or something. So they have other things on their website. That way you be able to shop, guys. And it's affordable prices. Like I said, it's shopping. The shipping is free worldwide. Regardless of where you are, you'll have free shipping. It's affordable pricing, and this ain't cheap looking. This ain't cheap. You see how I'm acting. It's not cheap looking at all. And I've never had any jewelry that looks like this. That's, the camera is not doing it no justice. Let's just say that, okay? So, like your girl J Baby says, she says, be blessed and not stressed. And J Baby is signing off. Mwah.